Seniors are coming in Chirimu, Fatal Sulemana, over 4 months ago. Na Ajed Terehase player no after say Oko Sudan war returning Ghana na a likely so be joining Kumasi Asante Kotoko. But sad deal no ends me and materials. The mobile Kaiser's our story, ye mamu. It will fear 4 months ago, me kaipa, but unfortunately, deal no ends me anko so. And no na head of Kotoko, ni media ma game no press conference. You could and say, ono kran call joining Kotoko, ye di entina went ban joining Kotoko. No, chire mu say, Kotoko IMC ne de, omuni ne kasai ma ne G2 mu say Kotoko no bebo. Na coach no, I friend Prosper Ogum no. Ena na ono so kase ono no. Ope player for fry friend Imoro Ibrahim enu ntia ne Kotoko deal no entima mba so enti hwe screenshot amede to screen so obekaya efie he ya na yes our story 4 months ago Kotoko close to signing former Midiama left back Fatal Sulemana. True details no obekaya those days no me your story no but eventually afena no kre wompa apie player no achechi mu se no IMC ne die ono omo kan bibia na IMC no kra person no o join e na ono so ye na adwen so be join but coach Ogum si ope Imoro e de e be ye Fatau no okọ Sudan okọbọ Almarek but war nsensem nti e na osaba Ghana but e na unua Imoro nso kọ Sudan ho I think Hilal ono nso esaba fie but ono no eventually Kotoko na ntimi ama so because the agent ni sika bia na obobo no but player friend of Fatal Sulemana ono nso left back say we joining Midiama the former club nti Fatal de no ay successful to Midiama but Imoro de na nam sika samu nti ye ntimi enya nti nchiremu e wo no over the weekend Midiama versus Kotoko ye hwese Kotoko ebenya the needed victory because Kotoko is back on the winning ways. Yes.